Dan just came back from a business trip late last night. Unfortunately, his luggage didn't arrive with him, so his swimwear somewhere between here and Washington, D.C. Fortunately, at the last minute, Dan was able to contact someone who looks exactly like him in beachwear. In the spirit of being community-minded, here is the Midland Wrestling team. They've agreed to step in for him in this pinch.